scared. Oh, my glass. That looks good. TNT's Garage. On last week's episode, you've seen us paint my truck. We're gonna get into cutting and buffing. We've already cut all of our little eyes off. Looks like polka dots.
So you got hammered.
Nibbed it down and then using the BA.
What's the objective of what we're doing though? Show them.
Orange peel.
Show them what orange peel is.
Okay, you see the difference? The little like orange peels, and then this is what we're after, is that smooth. He's gotta get going more. Alright guys, so you saw us get my front windshield from the window tint guy, Dave. We are putting on the rubber gasket that goes around to hold the windshield into the truck. We put some rope in between there so it kind of stretched out, and then as we went along we pulled the rope and it kind of helped seat it in. Now time for the back window. We've already tucked the rope in the seal on there. My dad was trying to put it in, and then... Alright, so it's now time to put the trim on the truck. Okay. We used some emblem tape, measured out, and stuck it on there.
Be careful with that.
Yeah, that can get stuck now. It's all there.
It's done.
It's a new day in the garage, and we're out here working on the truck. We went and picked up some steel at the steel yard to make a receiver hitch for my back of my truck. It's got to fit in between these frame rails right here, so we're fabbing it all up with this 3-inch, and that guy cut that down to length and weld that guy into here. Just both shafts on the other end. It's money.
Obviously we want to get those.
You want to get those cut?
Cut, yep. Just gonna cut everything that's flat. Yep, like that.
Just a disclaimer, this is just for double wides and heavy machinery. Because it stuck out to like here. This license plate would have been like 15 feet out here. We're gonna have to run a pin that goes straight down instead of this away. So this sits flush and doesn't look gay. Stick it in there. Perfect. Nice. Trailer hitch.
For my
Double wide. Flag. Bruh, that is perfect. The pin is gonna go perfect right there. Good.
I get cancer in ceiling.
We can cut it outside the frame. Hey, cold start.
Overspraying whatever. It's for the 7-way plug.
It's for the lights. Have you even tried it to see if it works, or you
No,
just...
those wires are connected together. This isn't working. This is not the problem. This is just one problem. Factory.
better than factory?
Wait, there might be more crap to do. No, that's not my Milwaukee ratchet. Thank you. Oh, it's like stuck in there too. Can I get the self-tapper?
On the other side.
Guess what?
Look, here's another
It's a
ground.
self-tapper.
Okay, go ahead and try to see.
You're grounded. You're not even supposed to be at my house.
Who said that?
Your mom.
Anything?
Nothing.
Found to wire it correctly.
We got blink, blink, blink up here. No blink, 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 blink back here. You see
Blink,
on
blink,
this?
Blink, blink, blink.
Oh, blink, blink, blink.
Blink, blink, blink. Ching, ching, ching.
So you might have to plug that back into the other end. It looks like a rat's nest to me.
Got anything?
Yes. Blink, blink, blink.
Blink, blink, blink on the other side. See if we got blink,
Bling,
blink,
bling,
blink.
bling. Hazards. Those are hazards. You better keep those ones on.
Is that the hazard? No, I'm just doing one side.
Nope, it's the whole bar.
Something's jacked because I'm just doing the right signal.
You gotta keep those on. What do you got?
So the left blinker, that one doesn't.
Can only turn left.
No turning right. Dude, why is the lights going crazy in the front right now? Oh, shoot, the other one like blinks. It's blue! It's blue when you do the right signal.
Whoa, why is it blue?
So then you should flip it.
Why is that one blue? We got whole right blinker bar, and then we got two orange and blue. We're just trying to eat my candy cane, man.
Taking the headlights off because they go party mode when you do the left or the right blinker.
The cops will love you. Great, you get a pull.
Austin work this one, huh?
Yeah. You get. I was on the right side. I'm just curious. Yeah, so you made it blue. You wired the right. The right side blue.
We did the opposites on both sides. We didn't do the same wiring pattern. We just did opposites. Come here, guys.
Oh. Everybody.
Not you, the audience.
Oh.
Come look at Austin's wiring job.
This isn't hooked up. This isn't hooked up. So we got to rehook all this back up.
Yeah, so you hook those together. Austin, the black goes on the black and the red goes on the red. Not the red on the black and the black on the red. You'll learn one day.
No, I need to learn.
So it's this side jacked up.
That's what I'm saying.
You did that side.
You did both sides. I held the grill off.
And now they're both blue.
Oh, they were both blue. You just did something. They were both blue. Yeah, you flash blue in the front and you pull people over. I didn't even know it flashed blue. Just a new setting, I guess. Now it's flashing. That's all. So maybe it wasn't on wiring job. Maybe it's his wiring job up there.
No, yours isn't right. You got it in the back?
No.
Nothing in the back? Red. I love wiring. I actually hate wiring.
That's blue.
Yes! Do it back to the police one. So we need a toggle switch that goes in the police mode.
You gotta.
You like my fit?
Oh!
This whole side works.
But then
Then you go to the right and the right doesn't work.
we're looking at the tops too, so it's not just the bottom. But we don't have anything on the tail. Blinky in there.
So follow that wire. Dark green in there. Where's that black?
It's gotta be on the 7-way.
Does it not have a...
Any flashies?
Yep, it was just barely flashing.
Oh, so it's just shorted.
Hold.
Hold.
I don't have any flashy. There it is. Let's grab something to clean those up.
Gotta roughen it up a little bit. Right. No way. Alright guys.
Quick, wired up.
That's the video.
Is it still blinking? Yeah!
Yeah, that's it for this video. Come back for next week's when we...
Disassemble the whole truck to find the cigarette lighter wire.
I'll find that second wire! It's here somewhere! Okay, left blinker. Let's see if the left blinker works now.
Yeah, you left. Oh,
Oh,
it's gone.
Hazard.
Brakes?
Continued.
Brakes?
Next week's the hazard lights. Check it sitting there going
We don't need hazards.
on the blinker. We're really YouTubers now. Does it make your
You gotta get the
tones?
circle ring light.
Ring
It really pulls out your skin tone.
You got ring lights in your truck.
No, they're Jeep lights for anybody.
Amazon 7-inch Jeep lights.
7-inch Jeep lights, baby. And they have party mode included. Probably see pink next week. They advertised blue. Find it? What's that one? Blink, blink, blink. Ha! We got Blinky Blink.
Let's go ahead and check that site.
These guys finally showed up. On back order for like months. I'm not getting anything on this side. Got this one to go.
Blinky, blinky, blinky. Blinky, 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 blinky.
Alright, so we're able to get our windows rolled up. He's got a rat's nest of stuff going on down here. And we went to the hardware store and got some new hardware for these because they were all old and rusty. So he's over there putting those in. We got the tail lights in. Okay guys, in this week's episode you saw us cut and buff. We also got some little parts from LMC like these tailgate latches. We also got some new bezels from Tucker's and Cedar. Some new LED lights. Got our backup lights back in. We also made a custom receiver hitch that hides behind my license plate here. We have some D-rings and we had to mock that up. We also got my bumper back on here. The light bar that goes down in here. We moved the side of the truck. We got my trim installed. We used emblem tape for that. Also, you saw our window. Special shout out to Dave over at Sunrise Tint for hooking us up with that. We also were able to clean up and roll these guys up. We also got the front windshield in. So moving on to the inside, we were able to work on this Dakota Digital dash a little bit just to see you guys. This is what my dad has been working through. This is the Suburban book here. He has to read all his little diagrams and plug every wire in. We've got got some of it to come up, so as we turn the key, that's kind of what it looks like for now. We still got to hook up our speed and our fuel into here. We've also got my new mirror up in there, and we got a new dome light for inside. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned on future truck build. We got big things coming.